We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MMTLP stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight to hold support and having a pretty big drop here in the after hours after news just came out today, which we're going to look over and what's going on within the charts. But it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 11:55 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 80% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see it popping up there within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MMTLP stock trying to fight to hold support here above 90 cents in the after hours, and we're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, what's going on with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator at 11:05 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see it popping up there within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are at MMTLP stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight to hold support here and doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area within the volatility on 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are at MMTLP stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. under a bear indicator in the after hours here at around the 99.50 cent area, right? Literally $1 if you just want to round that up. It was fighting to get back above it, and you could see it there, rejecting it within the volatility of the day and quickly falling down to 81 cents. And now back up above 90 cents, sitting at 91 cents. Now it's trying to bring itself back up. These inflows are still above, but what's going to be crucial and critical going into tomorrow is how these outflows have been dominating on the 15-minute. Lots of volatility, not a lot of inflows, and now it's trying to bring itself back up. And to justify any strength to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to cross the midpoint, guys, and bring that strength over into the 30-minute, into the 1 hour as well. And you could see it there in the bigger picture of the 30-minute, that bear indicator, and on the 1 hour as well. It's been under a bear indicator since up here at the 107 area, right? A critical resistance I would not ignore. Now, what news came out today? Well, about a few hours ago before the close, news came out about the EV maker Mullen debuting its ultra high performance 5, which many have been anticipating, right? A lot of people were looking into that, about its actual performance and also actually seeing a product, right? That is a big deal here for MULN stock moving forward. And now that's something that goes ahead and shows, well, look, this is what Mullen has to offer. This is what it looks like. This is what it could do. But the stock got pretty volatile here in the second half of the day, and it's going to be crucial and critical for this to stay above $1, right? It did the recent reverse split because it was below $1. If it has trouble going back above it and staying above it, it could fall into another possible delisting or having a reverse split to stay afloat and further diluting shareholders. So that's something that's going to be critical here moving forward, to stay above $1. Now it's trying to bring itself back up above 90 cents. And the key levels I would watch, well, the first thing is the support of 90 cents. It's under a bear indicator, and these outflows are below the midpoint on the 15-minute, under a bear indicator as well. And if 90 cents gets broken through, the next support I'll be watching is the 85 to 80 cent area. And to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical here to get back above $1 and that next resistance of 107, where that bear indicator popped up on the 30-minute and also on the 1 hour, right? Back here when things popped up after the split at 130s and came back down, that 107 area has rejected multiple times. And if it could break back above that, the next resistance I'll be watching is the 115 to 120 area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial. It's hit a dip area here and it's trying to transition back up. The next piece missing is those inflows picking up here on the 15-minute and continuing the transition into dark green bars and bright green bars, and a possible bull indicator here on the 15-minute and 30-minute. I'm going to be watching that very closely going into tomorrow. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. So if you made it this far into the video and you are a swing trader or looking to gain an edge when it comes to swing trading, you're definitely going to want to check this out. And this is our new swing bot that will be fully released really soon. And so far it has sent 2 notifications in the last several days, right? The first one, as you see it popping up there, was Nvidia on Friday of last week at around $444. And the other one was Tesla yesterday in the pre-market, and from yesterday to today, and even yesterday alone, it ran up nearly $10 plus. Now, when it comes to the Nvidia one, you could see it popping up there on the screen. I shared the chart yesterday, and I also circled an area, as you see it there in the chart, how it kept on bouncing off that support and trying to hold above 444. And then I put a line across when that notification came in. And now you're seeing this other chart, which I shared today in the pre-market. And I stated, right, you could see the same line there. And I put the swing bot notification there at around the 444 area. It was already opening up from yesterday to today at 449. And I talked about in that purple area, the area that kept on acting like support. And there was a strong resistance in the pre-market and previous days at the 452 area. And the bulls would need to break through that for possible continuation. Not guaranteed, but it was important, and inflows needed a cross. Now, when you see it here in the next chart, going into the open, it was broken through, bull indicator popped up, and then inflows crossed over. And you could see the purple area that continued to act like support. And Nvidia calls were up nearly 100% plus with the swing notification bot since it was sent out, right? And you can see that blue line again where that notification was sent at that after hours on Friday. So this is our new swing bot. If you take a look at Tesla too, it sent it out at around the $256 area, and Tesla went to highs here of nearly $270 in the last 2 days, and it was sent out yesterday in the pre-market, right around this area, and the full move. So typically with these swing bots, and the notifications that come in. They're there to add perspective. Nothing's guaranteed, but the goal is for it to add perspective. Take a look for possible support levels and bullish confirmations of a reversal. And from there, it typically pans out within several days to weeks, but sometimes it could happen this fast within 1 or 2 days. And when it does, I typically tend to make a rational decision because maybe my goals and strategy and expectations have been met, right? I don't want to get too greedy either, but I wanted to share with you guys our new swing bot that's going to be notifying directly into our Discord on high probability opportunities based off specific criterias and dip areas of wire Fred borders, as I call them, on multiple time frames and other criterias to confirm of the possibility of it looking like a possible support or area to not ignore for a possible swing of a reversal. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.